Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got OPI, My Private Jet, and MoYou London Pro Collection 08. I'm starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here's My Private Jet by OPI. I'm going to go in with my first coat here. This is one that Miss Tammy gave me from Mrs. K's Corner. She had watched my video where I did the duplicate comparisons for Moonshine Manny's polishes, and I didn't have this one to compare. She was kind enough to give it to me. Thank you, Mrs. K's Corner. So we're just being real careful with our application here. And I can tell you that this polish is not getting any justice on camera. It's like a charcoal with a brown shimmer in it, and then it's got hollow in it. It's really, really stunning. Hi Woody, how you doing? There we go. I'm going to top it with Moonshine Manny's Let's Go Top Coat. I did wear this one for a day or two on its own before I played on it. Capping my free edge. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? This is MoYou London, and this one's Pro Collection 08. It's got some of the smaller images on it, and I thought it'd be great for the short nails. And this is Luna from Maniology. Got my monocle stamper and Maniology scraper out today. So we're just going to use this little flower image. Kind of been hooked on flowers and butterflies here lately. So we're going to go with flowers today. And I picked this Luna polish to use today because it's not a stark white. It's kind of a gray white. Super duper light gray. And I love it. I thought it was a good choice for this one. So I am using the same image, but I'm kind of flip-flopping to where the big flower moves around on my finger, on my fingernail. I am cleaning that plate off with pure acetone, and I do always clean my stamper off on a lint roller or use a piece of tape. You do not want to use acetone or nail polish remover on these clear stampers. It'll eat them up and make them foggy. There we go. Oh, got to get another swipe in on that one. Here we are. Ta-da! I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up this excess polish off of my skin. Alright, looking good so far. And I'm going to use my cleanup brush and go around the edges real quick. Getting all that, you know, whatever's left. I'm going to top it with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat and seal that stamping in without smudging it. I have really good luck with this stuff. And now on to the Moonshine Manny Top Coat. Let's go Top Coat. And finish this one off. Yes, please. Hi Woody, back again. How you doing? There we go. So here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.